Hello Varieties fam, you're all welcome back to Queen Varieties channel, where variety is the spice of life. On today's episode, I'll be sharing the authentic Nigerian groundnut soup or peanut soup recipe. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, share my video with your friends and loved ones. Remember to turn on your bell notifications for instant prompts each time I upload any video. For this soup preparation, you will require the items I'm dropping inside the plate. You will need onions, bonnet peppers of different color with ginger, red bell pepper and 2 fresh tomatoes. All these items I will transfer right inside my blender and blend it smoothly. Once the blending process is completed, I'll set that aside. Into a preheated pot, I'll bring in washed beef. I have placed the beef inside a sieve just to eliminate unwanted liquid from it. I'll add Ponmo and stockfish fillets. I'll also include some smoked dry fish and mackerel fish. We're going to season with salt and knor cubes. Moving forward, you're going to generously pour in all the blended ingredients right inside the pot and then take your time and mix to combine. For peanut soup, you don't have to season with too much ingredients because peanut has a very flavorful taste. I'll cover the pot and cook for exactly 10 to 15 minutes. Into another preheated pan, I'll pour in about 3 to 4 cups of peanuts, which is already roasted inside the pot, just because I want to release the flavor or the nutty flavor from the peanuts. We are going to toast this for exactly 3 minutes on high heat. After the toasting process, I'll proceed to adding it into the blender. Put a little bit of water inside here and mix it to blend smoothly. Back to the pot. After 10 to 15 minutes of cooking period, I'll add more liquid into the pot here. So to enhance the flavor of the soup, I will also go ahead and add 1.5 or 2 tablespoons of Peppersoup Spices inside the soup with palm oil. If you want to add crayfish, you can also go ahead to add that, but it's not too necessary for the soup. But then you can as well integrate crayfish into the pot. I have also gone ahead to pour in the blended peanuts right inside the pot. You're going to mix very well, coat appropriately to make sure everything is combined. I will cover the pot and begin to cook. "30 minutes later, the peanuts are perfectly cooked. Now let me tell you that if you're making peanuts, you have to be very careful. It's just like when you're making a goosey soup, so you have to cook the peanuts very well, otherwise your stomach is going to rumble. You don't want to feel the impact of that. All right, so I will advise that you take your time to cook the peanuts properly, and within the cooking process, make sure you also stir in generously just to avoid your pot from burning. I've gone ahead now to include vegetable into the soup. I am using bitter leaves. For the bitter leaves, is optional. If you don't want to use any vegetable, you can leave it as transparent as it is. The soup is ready. Absolutely and incredibly delicious. You can see the color that we are having here. So I've covered the pot and cooked this for extra 5 minutes just to allow the flavor of the bitter leaf to integrate very well into the soup. And guys, this is what we are having. In less than 1 hour, you're going to have a perfectly cooked groundnut soup. The consistency is perfect. It smells amazing. It tastes absolutely delicious. You're going to love this soup, trust me. If you don't like groundnut soup, if you don't like peanut soup, try my method of cooking this soup. You're going to love it. Okay, and here you're going to proceed to serve. At this point in time, make sure your fufu is ready. You can use any fufu of your choice: semolina, pounded yam, rice fufu. Use anything of your choice. You can also enjoy this with boiled rice. It tastes super amazing, guys. Oh my goodness, my family was into this soup. My kids enjoyed the flavorful taste of this peanut soup. highly proteinous and super yum. Thank you so much for joining me in today's episode. I hope you have enjoyed it. Remember, variety is the spice of life. Drop your comments and also subscribe. Thank you. Until I come your way next time, God bless you. Bye for now.